Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the earbuds and the case. This ensures a stable connection. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is on and visible so the earbuds can find it. Open the case or press and hold the earbuds power button for 3-5 seconds to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash. You do this first because a low battery or hidden Bluetooth will prevent pairing and waste time. Now move to selecting the device on your phone. You find the earbuds in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap the exact model name. This binds the two devices. If the phone asks for a passkey, enter common codes such as 0000 or 1234 because many earbuds still use these defaults. Once paired, you should hear a confirmation tone or see a steady LED. That tells you the connection is active. Make sure to keep the phone and earbuds close for the first. You finish by testing audio playback and a quick call to confirm mic and stereo balance. This verifies everything works. If available, open the Skullcandy app to install firmware updates and customize controls, because updates fix bugs and improve stability. If the earbuds fail to pair, make sure to reset them. Hold the power for about 10 seconds or follow the manual reset sequence, then remove the device from your phone's Bluetooth list and retry. That reset often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.